Hello everyone, welcome to CoddingAdda. Today we will discuss on WaitGroup. In previous lecture we have discussed on Go routines, and there we had discussed one problem regarding Go routine syncing. So the main Go routine can complete its task before completing the sub Go routines. So how we will tell main coroutine to wait till all the subroutines completed its execution. In our previous lecture, at the end of main, we have used time.sleep to wait for some time before completing the task of other subroutines. Here we will use some advanced technique Go provide us to handle this scenario in a better manner. So without any further delay, let's get started. Now we have a program, we have a process function that we are calling using the Go keyword. That means here other sub Go routines will be launched. We have counter from 0 to 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 subroutines, sub-go routines will be launched. But we are not waiting here whether the sub-go routines, the lightweight threads are completed its execution or not. And this situation, if we execute this program, then the output is only all have completed this process. That means main coroutines has completed its execution, but this sub-go routines are not yet completed its execution. So we are not getting any print statement for this sub-go routine because the main is already exited its execution. So how do you wait in main? So we will use here wait group. Now we have implemented wait group in our program. So for implementing wait group is a type and sync package. You have to import sync package. Then what we are doing, we are creating WG, one variable of type wait group. Then we are passing wait group as a reference in this process function. Now we have this statement wait group dot add before calling this go routine. Then in this go routine wait group dot done, and in main wait group dot wait. So this wait group dot add, it will increment counter by 1, and this wg dot done will decrement the counter by 1 to denote that this go routine completed its execution. Okay, and wg.wait will wait until the counter becomes 0. So what we are doing, before launching the go routine, we are incrementing the counter. Then after completed this go routine, its execution, so it's releasing the counter by 1 to denote that it's done with its job until it becomes 0. So it will release gradually, and this function, when it becomes 0, then main will proceed to the next line of this wait line. It will print this line and main will be completed its execution. So here we are waiting till the counter becomes 0. If we execute this function, then you will see the output is all the four lines are now printed because main waits here for other coroutines to execute its job. So as coroutines executes asynchronously, so that's why we are not getting it synchronously. We are getting in random order, three doing tasks, two doing tasks, one zero doing tasks, one doing tasks. So this can be in different order. If we run this program different times based on the execution time, this process function is taking. Now we have the output, all have completed the process. I hope you understood the concept of wait group input. See you in the next lecture. Till then, bye.